Hello everyone. My topics are acid rain and algal bloom in Lake Winnipeg. We'll start with the acid rain. The normal pH of the rain is 5.6, and it is because of the carbon dioxide present in the air. It mixes with the water vapors and drips down as carbonic acid, which makes the normal pH of the rain slightly acidic. The pH of acid rain is less than 4, so anything less than 4 is considered acid rain. This is caused because of the two emissions, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These emissions mainly come from fossil fuels that's burning in power plants or factories, or they come from the automobiles running on roads. These emissions, the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, they rises up in the air, they mix with the water vapors and they drips down as sulfuric acid or nitrous acid or nitric acid. This makes the rain acidic. What's the impact of acid rain? The acid rain affects forest ecosystem, they affects the soil, they degrade the soil, they affects the aquatic ecosystem and corrodes the building. You can see on the top right corner, that's the building called Taj Mahal. It's one of the seven monuments of the world. It's built with marble. When it was built, it was completely white in color, but with time, many leather industries opened around this place and they released toxins such as sulfur oxides and many other things. So, whenever the rain comes, it's always acidic and corrodes the marble of this Taj Mahal. With time, this building becomes yellow in color. So, you can see the difference on the left side and the right side of the picture. How it affects humans. Many studies have shown that acid rain led to the many respiratory diseases such as bronchitis or cancer. Also, you can see on the bottom right corner, the fishes are dead due to the acidic water caused due to acid rain. How we can prevent it? We can set some standard emission rules, set some rules to prevent lots of cars on the roads, lots of vehicles, and we can spread awareness among people what are the harmful effects of acid rain and how we can control it. Second topic is algal bloom in Lake Winnipeg. So as you can see in the satellite picture, the whole lake is green in color. This is due to the presence of cyanobacteria or blue-green algae on the surface. So the algal bloom is caused due to the two nutrients, that is phosphorus and nitrogen, but mainly phosphorus. So these nutrients accelerate the growth of cyanobacteria and it accumulates on the surface of the water. It causes eutrophication. Eutrophication occurs when the cyanobacteria or blue-green algae consumes all the nutrients and oxygen from the water. The algal bloom can occur due to the many factors such as sewage runoff in the lake or flooding incidents. That is, high frequency of floods can cause the mud and soil to come and settle in the lake. Other human activities such as using excessive fertilizers in agriculture or deforestation. We know that forest prevents floods and thus deforestation does not stop water and it brings all the mud and soil in the lake. Many chemicals such as saying phosphorus and nitrogen present in the fertilizers run off in the lake. How it affects humans and aquatic life. Blue-green algae releases a toxin called microcystine. When it comes in contact with the human body, it creates irritation, and it's the same thing with the fishes. Also, these algae they consumes all the nutrients and oxygen present in the water, so fishes die due to the suffocation. It might change the whole biodiversity and ecosystem of the water body. How we can prevent algal bloom? We can raise awareness among people. We can tell them how it happens and how we can prevent it. What are the harmful effects of algal bloom in the lake? There is a foundation called Lake Winnipeg Foundation that is working to clear of the algae over the lake. Many researchers are working to correct the accurate data of nutrients and amount of algae present on the surface to find a solution to clear the water. Thanks.